Bop. Bop.
Yo, we out here in South Point. We do our best to do this calisthenics thing. It's a community here in Miami. Pull up every Wednesday and every Sunday, 5 p.m. until dark. Let's go.
Hey, what's up everyone? Monroe Mann here in Miami Beach, South Point Park, and we are about to be doing some incredible muscle ups. And you're gonna see me attempt to do it and fail, and then you'll see some of the most amazing athleticism here in South Beach. So stick around.
You do this every day?
I do, but not. I don't set this up every day.
What's up, Roberto?
How are you?
Nice to see you.
Same, man. Likewise. Hi, camera.
Set it up right here.
So here we are at this bar here on South Point Beach Park, and I'm going to show you how difficult this actually is, because I can't do it yet. I can do my pull-ups, that's no problem, and that's the first step, but believe it or not, just having that strength alone isn't enough, and I'm going to show you as far as I can get.
Let's go. Show them! Oh!
It was close, right?
It was close. It wasn't close. Doing the gains.
So now we're going to see how it's actually done. Let's see one more time. That was smooth. That was so smooth.
So remember, you can't go against the momentum. Physics. If you go up, right underneath the bar, bro, you ain't getting up. Right?
Yeah, that makes
So
sense.
you gotta be at least away from the bar to get it. You get it? Trampoline. Let's go.
Conceptually, but no.
Now swing. Now go up. There. It has to be behind. Look, you're going against it. Remember, I said you gotta be behind the bar, in front of the bar, behind the bar. Yeah, like behind. Not in front. Yeah. Oh, you're getting it. There. Oh. Better. Too much swing though. Yeah.
That was the closest I ever got, isn't it? All right, Guru. My muscle up master here.
All right, let's go.
So,
What's the question?
the question was, so you're saying that I have enough strength, but I don't have the form. Is that right?
No, it's the technique.
The technique.
Yes, it's the timing. It's the timing from when you're swinging in front of the bar while swinging back and then pulling at the same time. So you're basically multitasking. You're doing
I like multitasking.
5 different things and doing it.
So, Roberto,
Get it.
can you show, can you put his words into action?
I'm gonna show you the wrong way and the right way.
Okay,
So,
let's
This is
go.
with bad timing, right?
Here, wait.
So you do this,
Yeah.
start pulling out here. You know,
No, you're going against
there is no
it now.
way I'm gonna do a muscle up if I start here.
Uh-huh.
So if I start a little bit back, wait, pull. You see how my body was behind the bar?
Oh, that makes a lot more sense.
There is a difference between pulling here than pulling here. You see what I mean? Like,
Oh,
wait for your body to be back.
and then
It's
pull
gonna
up.
be a lot easier for you.
Think that we're going. Yeah.
Yeah!
I almost...
It's so good.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
That was all bicep. That was all upper body. Now I'm gonna show you with the swing. use momentum.
That's the one I do for my clothes.
Look.
Now, let me ask you this. Is it easier to start doing that gymnastics way? To learn?
It is, but that means you're not gaining that much strength. You know what I mean?
I'm just thinking in terms of at least learning the motion of like how to
Yeah, that's
get up.
No, do you know what? Yeah, it will help. Sorry,
maybe.
the gymnastics way will help in the long run. Yeah.
You just have the abs thing.
But your goal is to just use strength, power,
Power.
pull power.
Boom power.
Yeah, if you're training for strength, you wanna do as clean as possible. So in the gymnastics one, you're kicking, so you're using a lot of momentum. What you wanna do is do it as clean as you can, you know.
Can I see one more?
Yeah.
Show him.
So this is the one he was doing, the one that like the clean one. So not even hanging, and from here you do a muscle up.
Look at that. That was all upper body, bro.
And this is the easier one. You're swinging a little bit, and you help yourself with your legs. And this is what I'm telling you to do. Just get on a low guard and do this as slow as you can.
Oh, that's great.
And do the negative, because that was gonna help you.
But doing the other swing.
Let's go.
Oh, you got the pullover, yeah.
All right.
So straight arms.
So straight arm.
That's how you finish your muscle up, and then try to go down as slow as you can. Hold it. Yes. Yes.
This is the hard.
Tuck your
Yeah,
elbows
that's
in.
the hard part.
Yeah. Tuck it in. Tuck the elbows in.
And then just start holding as
And
much
then
as you can
control.
down.
Control.
Yes.
Oh.
Go all the way
Okay.
down. Yeah.
I just did a muscle down.
Let me ask you this question. How long did it take you to be an attorney?
4 years as a bachelor's recipient and then 3 years of law school.
Okay, so my point is, if you put all that time into studying one section of being an attorney into the muscle up, right? Then you will gain regardless, because you will learn your body. You will learn about your body, how it moves. You will learn movement. You know, so you put time and effort into that, and you will succeed.
So let me summarize. Is it going to take me 7 years to learn the muscle up? No?
It will take you, if you do it for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Because you already got the strength.
Maybe like a week.
2 weeks.
He's not even training. He didn't even
I know,
train.
that's
And
what I'm
last
saying.
time you didn't have it. Today you're closer than last
Yeah,
time.
you
know what
didn't
I mean?
even have the band, bro.
And that's only one session you've
Yup.
done with us.
We'll get there.
Yeah.
Hello.
This is our friend. This is our friend Dougie.
What's up, Dougie?
Dougie or Dougie?
Dog.
Dougie.
Dougie.
Your name
Yo,
is
he's-
Monroe, right?
Monroe.
And what's your name?
Sam.
Sam and Monroe. Yes.
What was
They come straight from New York.
So yeah,
What was your name?
Boom.
the aim is to study it.
Pleasure, guys.
That means reps, more reps, more reps, more reps, reps.
That's like a study,
more reps,
right? Doing reps.
more reps, reps.
So he's going to do it with the kip now. Go ahead.
Yeah, he answered me like 5 hours after I sent, he asked me my phone, and he just
Well done.
led me on.
Good rep.
What's your name?
Eric Dillon.
Eric Dillon. Monroe Mann.
Nice to meet you, man.
Pleasure. It's recording. All right, so let's. So how did you do the kip up one?
Yo, there's Sergio, huh?
The legs go up
You kind of let your whole body weight, pull forward.
and then like that.
And then, as you're coming back, you pull your arms down. And so the combined motion of your legs going up and your arms going down, your hips swing back. But I'm not the best at cuber.
Oh!
That's.
You don't bend your arms as much.
Exactly.
You
I
try to
should
keep
bend
them
my
straight.
arms or
No,
don't bend them?
don't bend them. Just try to keep them straight. Use the momentum.
You actually, you would actually wield around.
Yeah. That's a lot of momentum.
It's just playing with, like after the
I'll tell you this, after having tried the muscle up and the kip up, they are both extremely difficult. Oh my gosh. Wait, oh, go ahead.
You're gonna see I'm gonna use a lot of momentum, not a lot of strength.
Okay. Oh, I see. You're right. Your arms are completely straight the whole time.
I just pop it. So that one is easier for the muscles, but it takes a lot more of coordination, timing, you know. But you'll get that one too.
So this one needs technique, the other one needs muscle. I can't do either.
Yeah. So this one needs a little bit more of technique than the other one you were trying. But the other one takes more strength. So you're gonna be stronger if you do the other one.
We'll get there.
Yeah, you'll get
Soon,
there,
soon. Say?
I said, this one's for you, bro. This muscle up, I call shotgun muscle up.
Let's see it. Does that mean it's going all over the place?
No way, bro. That's the song, bro.
This is signature move.
Send it, brother.
Good. Cha, cha. Ba. Ba.
Let's go. Let me get this on my story. Wait. Come on.
Guys, like, you don't have pressure.
Tranqui. Yo, someone's gotta send it.
Too easy. Strip. Too easy. Warm up set.
Hey, look, who pulled up? Look. Hey, look. Oh, too clean, bro. Give me the one on. Come on, baby. Too clean.
Let's go. Hold up, fam. Now just warming up, bro. Come on. You're gonna give me that one arm.
Serious people pull up. No, my guy. Okay. Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
We're up ready to learn, man.
So Usher's decided to come do some muscle ups. So what's your name?
Amari.
Mari, and today is your first day doing a muscle up as well?
Yeah, I'm actually here to record, but I'll get it in. I'm here. Get it in. Yeah, man.
And how about you? This is your first time here too?
Yes, sir. It's my first time. I found this man on the Explore page. I saw that he was giving out free game, and it's always good to get free game, man.
Absolutely.
Out and learn something new, you know?
It's quite a challenge. I'm hoping you guys can get
Challenges
it
are fun.
your first time.
That's what we live for.
Boom.
Solving bigger problems every day.
Indeed. Wise words, good lesson for the video.
Yes, sir. I mean, shit, I got so many of them, but I guess one that I got yesterday actually is just. You got some game for us, DJ? What did the guy tell us yesterday about
Oh, I got you.
If you got a $10,000 problem, you work up to a $20,000, and a $30,000 and $40,000 until you at $100,000, and then you work up to $1 million. And you just get bigger problems, and you keep getting advanced.
So the muscle up for you is what value problem?
As of right now, I think it's $1, and I don't even have $1 right now.
For me, I think it's I'll say a $100 problem. Because I can do a muscle up, and a muscle up is more of like a kipping muscle up.
So you're trying to transition?
Yes, I want to transition.
Beautiful.
To a strict muscle up.
Just like that.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh shit, fuck, bro. Alright, wait.
I'm gonna be all the way here, bro.
Go, 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 bro!
Yo, give me the double, man. Give me the double. Woo! Woo! Easy, buddy.
Keep feeling your back leg.
Let's go, Alca! Eso, dale. Let's go, bro. So what happened?
So I just went too hard. Look,
Let's get a close-up on this, Roberto.
let me put it up.
Oh, yeah! People are gonna get really upset that I showed that gross thing on there. But
No warning at all.
no warning. Later, dude.
Hey,
See you next time.
yeah, see you next time, bro. Definitely. You know where we are.
Huzzah!